What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Tommy Hilfiger is sold at Walmart. When I searched Tommy Hilfiger sneakers, because that's what I'm in the market for, guys, I found a pair, by the way, on the Walmart. Yeah, that was an option on Walmart.com. You guys, I had absolutely no clue that Tommy Hilfiger was carried at Walmart's. Not that there's anything wrong with Walmart, not judging. I did a whole like Walmart fashion haul on this channel years back, and yeah, but I did not see that coming. I completely did not see this coming at all. So yeah, I'm a little shook, but I have to say the pair of sneakers that I picked up from Walmart online, they look beautiful. I have no idea what they look like in person because I did not unbox them yet. So I actually have a few things from Tommy we're gonna unbox today. We're gonna unbox these sneakers and we're gonna check this out, guys, and have a whole Walmart x Tommy Hilfiger collaboration experience.
What is this world coming to?
Keep on watching. So before we dive into these sneakers, guys, let me tell you exactly what they are. They go by the Tommy Hilfiger men's 𝗲𝗖𝗓 olive ankle high fabric sneakers. Whew. That is the name, and actually there were only like 2 in stock when I found these, and I ended up getting a 9.5 size, and typically I'm a 10.5. So I'm gonna squeeze my feet into this pair of shoe, guys, because they are pretty sick. My whole color palette that I like when it comes to shoes is black, gray. I don't really wear white shoes too often, but I do like nude and olive. And that is exactly what this color is. They're olive. So they were listed for $43.68, originally $90. And when I was scrolling on Walmart.com, this is exactly what I seen. I'm still shook. I cannot believe that these were on Walmart.com. And they're really sick looking. I mean, they have awesome colors to them, and yeah, I'm just hoping they look like this in real life. So let's get to it, guys. Let's check these out. I'm ready to unbox these sneakers, and I must say the packaging already feels kind of like crappy just in here, and I never ordered from Walmart.com. FYI, guys, this was Lysol. This is clean, so I gotta make sure we disclose that. Right? Okay, so it looks like we actually get the Tommy box. And nothing else is in there. Okay, so there's my receipt, and there's a little thing on here that says, "Thanks, we thrive on positive vibes." We all do. And I don't know what the heck this is, but you guys, the Tommy Hilfiger box is destroyed. What is this? This is like crap condition. I'm not somebody that needs to hold on to my shoe boxes, but my Tommy ones, for the most part, I do. So this is a little disappointing. There's a date on there, 2019. I don't know what the heck that is. Some green paper. There they are, and they really are olive. You guys, I also did a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at 𝘄𝗄𝘄𝘆 right there. Also, links in the description down below. But people were voting no, not to get these. Don't be gel. Do not be gel, because these are beautiful, you guys. These are beautiful. Wow. All right, so they look like they're in great condition. The color definitely is olive. These are sick, and I love how even though like the white portion is not like a solid white, that's like an off-white, almost kind of like a cream in a way. I appreciate the details that are in these sneakers, guys, and that's exactly why I wanted to pick these up. Also, because they were so cheap. But we have the Tommy logo here, Tommy logo here, Tommy logo here, and yeah, that is beautiful, guys. And also it does say Hilfiger right on this part, where we call that. Not like a sneaker connoisseur, never was, never will be. Maybe one day, I don't know, who knows. But yeah, these are pretty sick. I'm going to try it on off camera and see if this fits. They fit, and they're beautiful. You guys, I'm very happy with this purchase, and I'm shook that Tommy is sold on Walmart.com. I cannot believe this, guys. I'm not sure even if Tommy Hilfiger is aware that his stuff is sold on Walmart.com. I have no idea what's going on there, but to me, it doesn't really depreciate the value of Tommy. I still love his art, his whole design concept. He's an American icon when it comes to fashion, and I find appreciation in Tommy's design in almost anything he creates. Even this piece right here that I'm wearing right now is from his Heritage collection, and I had no idea that he actually even had a Heritage collection. But, I mean, guys, this is a sick piece. It's 3-toned. I got this dirt cheap, and this is like an XXL, so it's a little big on me, but it's flowy, it's nice for the summer, it's not too thick, and blue. So we have a couple other pieces I'm going to share with you today, guys, and one being something that I was looking for. And if you watch my previous Tommy video, yes, I was looking for a solid color Tommy Hilfiger tee, just so I could wear it with like khaki shorts and wear a nice little belt around it. By belt, I mean this beauty right here, which I've not even worn yet. I found a piece at Marshall's, and this was dirt cheap, you guys. I was shook when I seen how much this was. So originally this went for $22.50. It's a navy tee, and I got it for $6. $6. That's amazing. But this is not just a basic Tommy tee. It has a nice little logo right around the top. Unfortunately, I wish this carried over to like the cuffs on the sleeve, but it doesn't. Can't have everything. But it does have the Tommy logo on the chest, right on the heart. I love that. So my idea is I'm gonna wear this, tuck it in, wear the belt, khaki shorts, crisp, beautiful, preppy, and great for the summer. Love that. $6 too, that's crazy. Also, the next pieces that I got, guys, these are not summer pieces, these are actually winter wear, but I got them so cheap at Macy's, I could not resist. I don't even want to think about winter, guys, because winter here in PA is long, dreary, boring, and cold. Very cold. But when I seen these two pieces, I needed to pick them up. One being because I absolutely loved this sweater when I first seen it, but it was super expensive. Guys, how beautiful is this? It's thick, it's heavy, it is like, it just feels like an expensive sweater.
And it actually was.
This is actually part of their holiday collection, which you can see the tag. But I got this for $9.96. Let me take a look here, guys, and if we can find out exactly how much this was originally, because I know it was not cheap. There are many stickers on here because I could not sell it because it was that expensive. So let me see if I could try to find the original price without ruining this. Oh, it actually wasn't that bad. It was $129. I thought this was more expensive than that, but still $129. Got it for $9 and change. That is a steal and a half. This is gonna be one of my favorite pieces to wear this winter, guys. I'm loving the logo of Tommy in here. Color gray is my favorite, and I'm so pumped I got this, guys. Trust me when I say that I seen this during like the holidays and I wanted it so bad. Now I got it. Love it. That's what patience, guys, is a freaking virtue. If that does not give you like the best example, I don't know what does. So we got one more piece here from Macy's, and I'm sure you already love this color. This color blue is beautiful, and I have a couple other pieces with this color blue back there, and I think I have like a t-shirt right here, but nothing in a sweater of this color. And here we go. Beautiful. Very, very sick. Love this color, guys. It has the logo around the top collar here, on the cuffs, and Tommy on the heart. But it's very simple, but at the same time, it makes a statement, guys. If you're a lover of Tommy, this is like a must-have for your collection. I mean, if you just heading out the door and it's cold outside and you don't want to dress up too much, but you want to look put together, sleek, sexy, and fun with its color, this is definitely the shirt to wear. Guys, I actually got this for $14.96. I don't know why the heck this is more expensive than the other one. So this was $85. Got it for $14.96, guys. Again, a steal. Absolutely love my finds, guys, especially the one from Walmart. Tommy Hilfiger sneakers sold out on Walmart.com. Never, ever did I see that coming. But am I happy with what I came across? Absolutely. That is a cheap find, beautiful and unique sneaker, and I'm absolutely pumped, guys. I cannot believe that I got Tommy Hilfiger sneakers from Walmart.com. That's the tea. That is the real tea. I'm shook. If you guys are familiar with Tommy being sold somewhere else that's like extraordinary, sound off in the comment section down below, because I need to know where else you can find Tommy products at like odd stores. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my haul and my experience shopping on Walmart.com. It does not happen too often, but it did for Tommy. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. I post videos multiple times a week, and I post Tommy Hilfiger videos very often. I also have a Tommy playlist on my channel of like all my reviews and unboxings and try-ons and whatnot, shopping and stores experiences at Tommy. And check that out if you'd like. Also, my Instagram is right here at 𝘄𝗄𝘄𝘆 if you want to follow me on there as well. But till next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.